Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jessica. What's yours?
Jean de Dieu.
Oh wow, you speak English very well.
Thank you.
Excuse me, what time it is?
It's 5:10 p.m.
Sorry, what did you say?
I said 5:10 p.m.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, what's your name?
Mbabarira nkubaze, witwa nde?
My name is Jessica. What's yours?
Nitwa Jessica. Wowe witwa nde?
John.
Yohani.
You speak English very well.
Nukuri uvuga neza Icyongereza.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
Do you know what time it is?
Ese waba uzi isaha?
Sure, it's 5:10 p.m.
Yego, ni saa 11:10.
What did you say?
Uvuze ngo iki?
I said it's 5:10 p.m.
Navuze ngo ni saa 11:10.
Thanks.
Urakoze.
You're welcome.
Na urakoze.